Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Suburban. Suburban exceeds at towing heavy trailers, hauling loads of people and gear, and enduring hard use and rugged terrain. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, rear spoiler, power lift gate, remote keyless entry, remote vehicle start, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, front wheel independent suspension, electronic stability control, traction control. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.